Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to host your website on Netlify completely free in just a few minutes. We'll go from having our website files on the computer to getting a live website link that anyone can visit online. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and simply search for Netlify on Google. Once the search results appear, click on the official Netlify website and head over to the login page. Now sign into your Netlify account. In this case, I'm using Google Login, but you can use any method you prefer. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Netlify dashboard where we can start deploying our website. Inside the dashboard, click on Choose a folder. You'll notice there are a few upload options here. If you only have a single HTML file, you can upload that directly, and if your website is in a zip file, you can upload the zip as well. Since my website contains more than one file, I'm going to upload the entire project folder. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder where your website files are stored and select your project folder. Before clicking Upload, here's a quick look at the website files I'm using. As you can see, this project contains the main HTML file and the CSS styling file. Make sure all of your required website files are inside the same folder before uploading, otherwise your website may not load properly. Now go back to the Upload window and click Upload. Netlify will begin processing the files and automatically start deploying your website. This usually only takes a few seconds, and there we go. Once deployment is complete, Netlify automatically generates a live website link for your project. Click on the generated domain to open your newly hosted website. As you can see, the website is now live and working. Scroll through the page and quickly check everything to make sure the layout, sections, and styling appear correctly. Now let's say you made some changes to your website and want to update the live version. You don't need to create a new project. Simply go back to your Netlify dashboard and upload the same website folder again. Netlify will automatically replace the previous version and redeploy the updated files. Next, let's quickly look at domain management. This is where you can manage your Netlify domain settings and other website-related options. Now, one thing many people want to do is change the random project name Netlify generates. To do that, click the Options menu and choose Edit Project Name. Here, try entering the name you want. If it says the project name isn't available, simply try another variation until you find one that works. Once an available name appears, click Save. Netlify will automatically update your website URL to the new project name. Now open the updated website link and make sure everything is working correctly under the new domain. As you can see, the website is still fully functional and successfully hosted online. And that's basically it. Your website is now hosted on Netlify for free, and you also know how to update it and rename your project whenever needed. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.